Have you ever wondered whether an inline converting line can efficiently produce very small corrugated cartons? Many people believe the answer is no, because when carton dimensions become smaller, maintaining feeding accuracy, die cutting precision, and stable folding becomes much more challenging. Today, let's take a closer look at one practical solution. The carton being produced measures only 145/80/50 millimeters, making it much smaller than a standard Aussie shipping box. Instead of processing individual carton blanks, the production starts with a larger corrugated sheet. The line uses a lead-edge feeding system, which grips the front edge of the sheet to ensure smooth and accurate feeding throughout the converting process. Stable feeding is the foundation of high-quality production. Even a slight feeding deviation can affect printing registration, die cutting accuracy, and the following folding process. After feeding, the corrugated sheet enters the die cutting section. Here's where the real innovation happens. Rather than producing just one carton from each sheet, the die cutting layout is designed to create 6 carton blanks from a single sheet. This 1 out of 6 production method greatly improves material utilization while maintaining excellent dimensional consistency. For small cartons like this, die cutting accuracy is especially important. Even a small dimensional variation can affect folding quality and final carton appearance. The carton blanks are then transferred directly into the folder gluer. Producing small cartons on an inline folder gluer is never easy, because every fold is shorter, every tolerance is smaller, and every movement requires greater precision. The folding section keeps each blank properly aligned while applying glue accurately and forming the carton consistently at production speed. Once folding and gluing are completed, the cartons enter the counter ejector. The system automatically counts, stacks, and aligns every bundle, ensuring stable downstream handling and reducing manual intervention. The final step is automatic strapping. Each bundle is securely strapped and prepared for palletizing, storage, or shipment. From feeding, to die cutting, to folding, gluing, counting, and strapping, the entire production process is completed in one continuous flow. For carton manufacturers, this type of integrated production offers several important advantages. It reduces manual handling, improves production consistency, increases material utilization, and helps maintain stable quality even when producing compact carton sizes. As packaging requirements continue to evolve, production is no longer simply about running faster. It's about choosing the right converting solution for the right carton design. Sometimes, the biggest challenge isn't producing a large carton. It's producing a very small one accurately, efficiently, and consistently.